How to see captain on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded PL application on your device. Once done, launch your PL application and get logged into your FPL account. Now let's go ahead and tap onto Fantasy option from this bar menu. Then you will see Pick Team option again. Tap on Pick Team. You will see all of your team members. In order to see who is the captain, you will see this C icon on your left hand side of the player's name. Tap onto it and it shows captain. If you would like to see who is the vice captain, they will also show V onto their name. Tap onto it and you will see that a vice captain option has been checked. And just like so, this is how you can see your player if it's captain or vice captain. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.